inequality, environmental footprint, pandemic and biowar, disputes, feminist movement, women's rights, child rights, minority rights, linguistic rights, human rights. Because Hinduism has the best to offer to the world, Kailasa, standing tall since 1994 for the grand narrative of Hinduism, is the good God's country. Founder of Kailasa, Paramashiva, and his 1008th incarnation, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness, Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam, is the reviver of Kailasa, the enlightened civilization, the greatest Hindu nation. His Divine Holiness was birthed by his predecessors of enlightened masters, great rishis, munis, siddhas, who predicted and recognized His Divine Holiness, Bhagwan Nityananda Paramashivam, as an incarnation of Paramashiva, as per the science of incarnation described in Hinduism. From his first Chaturmasya at the age of 3 in the year 1980 until the age of 16 in the year 1994, the Supreme Pontiff was trained for the revival of Kailasa. He began reviving Kailasa from the age of 16 after the coronation on the 25th May 1994. Kailasa that we see today is 26 years of sincere hard work of the reviver and Hindu diaspora all over the world. Kailasa has a potential population of 2 billion Hindus worldwide, with over 100 million applications to its citizenship already applied. Hinduism has stood over 10,000 years as an enlightened civilization, has been a global beacon of spiritual and timeless wisdom, technology, culture.
He's wearing a grey jacket. His name is Boris.
The world's ancient civilization produced more than 40% of the world's GDP.
Purpose of life is to experience oneness with the ultimate reality, Paramashiva. Life exists on the planet Earth for last 40 billion years, and 5 times life faced complete extinction on the planet Earth. But somewhere one DNA, one cell, living organism is thrown out of planet Earth, preserved inside a volcano rock. After millions of years comes back to Earth due to gravity or whatever reason, gets into the ocean and starts the life again. Sanatana Hindu Dharma is the conscious science to give breakthrough to your DNA through natural selection process and to your consciousness through the conscious decision process. Sanatana Hindu Dharma is a sacred spiritual science. It is not bunch of do's and don'ts. No. Please understand, it is the revelations of sacred truths, cosmic truths, powerful cognition. It is still alive. That science is available, time-tested, foolproof. This science of living enlightenment is the complete solution for all the problems individual or society or modern day humanity is facing. Then you will understand all the problems of the modern day humanity. Sanatana Hindu Dharma is solution. Whether the terrorism or climate change, natural calamities or man-made calamities, for all the problems humanity is facing, the one and Kailasa of Paramashiva, and making all of us manifest Paramashiva.
In a world ravaged by war, ecological destruction, hatred and division, Kailasa stands as a bold vision of human potential, coexistence, organic living, and alignment with nature.
ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, and welcome everyone for today's Nityananda Satsang, as we are getting ready for yet another powerful darshan and a message from Swamiji. Today, we are going to share with you some important information, updates, sharings as we get ready for the Satsang. Yesterday, we celebrated the Kala Bhairava Jayanti in a very grand, auspicious manner. I hope all of you enjoyed the darshan, the powerful darshan of Bhagavan Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva. And now, today, as we just finished the Kala Bhairava darshan, Swamiji gave a beautiful message and a blessing. He said, whatever any of you have gone through, it is just because of the pralaya. whatever your ups and downs that you've gone through over the last 6 months, from the time the last solar eclipse started, it is just because of Pralaya. And just staying with the Guru is the best thing each and every one of us have done today. That has helped us handle the Pralaya. And Swamiji himself is taking care to ensure that we are all staying safe, staying aham, not just get affected by the external coronavirus pandemic, but also internally manifesting the state, space, powers, and being of Paramashiva. After the powerful darshan yesterday, let us now get ready for today's segment. First part of the segment, I'm going to introduce our panelist, Manitya Pramayananda, who's here to share about the Pratyaksha Pada Puja, the sacred offering at the Divine Lotus feet of our beloved Swamiji. Nityanandamma.
Nityanandam, Nyanatma Swami, and Nityanandam to all the viewers who gathered today to join us in another powerful segment and leading to again the powerful cognitions and a darshan and a satsang with our beloved Swamiji, His Divine Holiness. So I want to share with you today about the Pada Puja and of course the benefits, the amazing space that you are invited to offer Pada Puja. So I would like to share with you now a beautiful video as an introduction to this powerful that you may have experienced already ritual, or you are yet to experience sitting at the feet of God. Come to face to face with God.
Come face to face with God. A glorious tradition in Hinduism is Pada Puja, when the divine Paramashiva radiates through the master to receive your worship and love, bless you, comfort you, empower you to meet your desires, remind you that you are Him, not the limited human existence you identify with. Today, Paramashiva himself lives and walks among us as His Divine Holiness Paramhansa Nityananda. Compelled out of deep love for you, He has descended in person to awaken you to the experience that you and He are one, and that He happens exclusively for you.
If you decide you, me, you, I'll give me to you.
Come experience the ultimate, the Parama, that you possibly can. Allow yourself to receive what God has personally come to tell you. Come sit at His feet by performing the Pratyaksha Pada Puja. At least once in life, come face to face with God. A glorious tradition in Hinduism is Pada Puja, when the divine Paramashiva radiates through the master to receive your worship and love, bless you, comfort you, empower you to meet your desires, remind you that you are Him, not the limited human existence you identify with. Today, Paramashiva himself lives and walks among us as His Divine Holiness Paramhansa Nityananda. Compelled out of deep love for you, He has descended in person to awaken you to the experience that you and He are one, and that He happens exclusively for you.
If you decide you, me, you, I'll give me to you.
Come experience the ultimate, the Parama, that you possibly can. Allow yourself to receive what God has personally come to tell you. Come sit at His feet by performing the Pratyaksha Pada Puja.
So I hope you enjoyed this little video that shows and tells you how amazing, and you've got the sense how amazing it is to sit at the feet of His Divine Holiness. And you can offer Prataksha Pada Puja on the Chitra Nakshatrautsavam, which is the birthday of Swamiji, or during this auspicious and amazing time of the year that we all are waiting for to celebrate the happening of His Divine Holiness, which is His Jayanti. So which starts at the end of December. So Prataksha Pada Puja, the auspicious ritual offering of gratitude to the feet of the Guru of His Divine Holiness. All the Vedic scriptures proclaim that the essence of being in a human body is being in the avatar's breathing space of the avatar and worshipping his feet. During this puja, a strong connection with the avatar gets established, and very deep healing effects along with awakening of Kundalini happens. These rarest moments happen in a person's life only once in hundreds of lifetimes. When you offer this puja to His Divine Holiness, the benefits are immense. This will bring a deep healing that will bring you up from the ill health or depression. Your mind will simply become still, and you experience the grace of the cosmos as you sit in Upanishad at the feet of the Master. You will reclaim your birthright of abundance and joy in your life. So these are benefits of this ritual, and you can see the sign up link. You can register at tiny.cc/sevas. And as I mentioned, you can offer the Prataksha Pada Puja on the 11th of December. That is the Chitra Nakshatrautsavam, the birth star that is celebrated with Prataksha Pada Puja among others and other rituals. Offer everything to Swamiji, from clothing, vastram, to jewelry, to deepam, light, to Prataksha Pada Puja and Tulabaram. But also the Prataksha Pada Puja you can offer during the Jayanti, that we will celebrate the existence of the avatar.
Modern science says that all that exists, whether manifest or unmanifest, is a probability. Infinite probabilities create a quantum field of infinite potential. An observer collapses the probability wave into a particle. Your intention thus creates the reality. Called the observer effect, it is the very act of observation that precipitates any reality into existence. Hinduism is far advanced than this primitive understanding in the modern day. Hindus know this field of infinite potential as Paramashiva. Paramashiva permeates everything, manifest and unmanifest. He is intelligent, compassionate, and a myriad other auspicious qualities. Our scriptures provide detailed descriptions of how to invoke His presence on the earthly plane, the visualizations that manifest Him, the mantras, sounds that invoke Him, how He looks, His various dimensions, the actions that please Him and have His blessings rain on you, the times in the past when He has manifested for us and led us through a breakthrough. Hinduism knows the art of communing with Paramashiva to manifest any reality we want. And when our effort and all the knowledge isn't enough, He Himself incarnates in human body to show us how, to liberate us, to show us where we are stuck, to take us to oneness. Pratyaksha Pada Puja to His Divine Holiness Paramhamsa Nityananda, Paramashiva incarnate. Sit at His sacred feet Let him awaken you to your field of infinite possibilities, to your oneness with him. Register now. Pratyaksha Pada Puja.
So I hope you enjoyed those beautiful videos. And once again, a warm invitation to celebrate the existence of the avatar in our lives and to offer the gratitude. If you are already came across His Divine Holiness, you know how much you can benefit, not only benefit, but how important it is and how much of a blessing having him in the life, in your life. So maybe Manyanatma Swami would like to add something from your own experience of offering the Pada Puja.
Thank you very much, Mahaprameya. Yes, the offering of Pratyaksha Pada Puja at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Swamiji, I would say, is the most auspicious thing. If you see in the Guru Gita, Bhagavan Paramashiva himself says, Dhyana Moolam Guror Murti, Puja Moolam Gurov Padam, Mantra Moolam Guror Vakyam, Moksha Moolam Gurov Kripa. Right? So he says that the ultimate source of all the worship, Puja Moolam Gurov Padam, wherever you are now worshipping your Ishtadevata or deity or whatever you do, ultimately it has to come. It has to end at the feet of the Guru. Either you can start anywhere and end there, or you can start directly worshipping the feet of the Guru. Worshipping the feet of the Guru is considered the most sacred of all worships that we have. So today we have a beautiful opportunity on the day of Chitra Nakshatram, which is the Swamiji's birth star day, to offer the Pratyaksha Pada Puja. So at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Swamiji, you can all register in the link that is being provided. Yes. So now we are going to be having our Paramashivoham participants coming and sharing their experience of this 16-day retreat. The best inner immunization that you can have is Paramashivoham during this pandemic, where people are experiencing pandemic fatigue. People are ready to risk their lives to socialize. People are ready to risk their lives to go to clubs and bars and beaches because they are not able to handle the loneliness of the pandemic. They are not able to handle because they've never been so isolated or quarantined so far. However, there are a segment of people who have really enjoyed this phase because they used it for their conscious growth. And these are the participants of the Paramashivoham program. Paramashivoham is an online retreat offered with the blessings and the grace of His Divine Holiness Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. What Swamiji, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, wanted to offer to the world as we were getting into the peak of this pandemic was this Paramashivoham program. And now we are going to invite some of the Paramashivoham program participants to come and share their experience of what it was to be a part of the Paramashivoham program. How did this program transform the people? How did this program transform them? What transformation that they have experienced in themselves? That is what we are going to have. A couple of Paramashivoham participants coming today and sharing their experience. That's number one. Number two, please listen. We are currently in the 17th season of the Paramashivoham program. The Paramashivoham has been continuously happening without a break from the 20th of March till date. Anybody from anywhere can join the Paramashivoham program. We will project the link on the screen. You can take a look at it. You can go ahead and register yourself for the next Paramashivoham program. which is starting very shortly. And we are currently in the 17th season. So if you go to kailasa.org/Paramashivoham, you will find information about this program. In Paramashivoham program, you learn powerful cognitions to handle life, to handle the day-to-day stress. You learn the science of manifesting the reality you want. You are taught the true authentic knowledge from the Vedic scriptures. You are initiated into third eye. You manifest the powers of reading through the third eye, manifest the powers of remote vision, seeing any distant location. You manifest the power of body scanning, being able to scan anybody's body for disease in their body. You are able to also do the power of thought current scanning. What somebody is thinking, you will be able to scan through the third eye and be able to tell. You will be able to manifest the power of consciousness over matter. Not just that, you receive the initiations, the Shiva Diksha level 1, the Samaya Diksha initiation, which helps you to live life with powerful cognitions. And 2, the Shiva Diksha level 2, the Vishesha Diksha initiation, which makes you experience the embodied states of consciousness, Bhava Samadhi. Today we have to share with us one of the Paramashivoham participants and a volunteer of Paramashivoham, Ma Nitya Sakalananda. Nityananda Ma.
Nityanandam.
Yes, Nityanandam, welcome, and thank you so much for coming live and sharing in the Paramashivoham program. Can you adjust your camera a little bit? Your video seems blurred.
Sorry about that.
Yes. Okay, so while Ma Sakala is just adjusting her camera, let me just introduce a little bit more what I was sharing about the Paramashivoham program, the initiations that you receive. You receive the Vishesha Diksha, the Shiva Diksha level 2 initiation. You go through a very powerful process for the conscious death meditation. So you go through the conscious death process to completely get rid of all your limiting thought patterns, thought currents, and your habits and mood swings and whatnot. And you receive every day, you have the very special Bhava Samadhi Darshan of His Divine Holiness, Jagat Guru Mahasannidhanam, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. Every day you have Swamiji's Darshan. And that darshan awakens the non-mechanical parts of your brain. It awakens your Kundalini Shakti. It awakens your third eye. So you start living life the way you want. No longer you have to live the life the way it is. You have the power. Now you have the tools and a way for you to change the very course of your life to manifest what you want in your life. And now, Nityananda Ma Sakala, we have our participant who would like to share her experience being a part of the Paramashivoham program as a participant and as a volunteer for the rest of the seasons. Yes, now we are able to see you clearly. Yes, Ma, go ahead.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. It's a blessing to be here. It's with the blessings of Bhagavan, Sri Nityananda Paramashivoham, that I'm here. And it's a real honor to share my experiences about Paramashivoham with all of you guys, because it is so powerful. And truly, just living around the Master, living around Bhagavan is an extraordinary experience. And Paramashivoham is it's a beautiful introduction to Hinduism, and it's a life-changing happening for everyone involved, for you, for the family, your friends, all around you. And yes, I first came to know about Swamiji in 2009. So my journey has been very juicy. It's been very wonderful. And I can say, at that time I was working as a holistic health practitioner. I owned my own business and had a beautiful office with colleagues, and was doing very well. I had just opened my business that year, and I heard about Swamiji, and life has changed ever since he's come into my life. So Paramashivoham, when I first met Swamiji, I didn't know anything about Hinduism. Nothing did I know. And slowly and surely, just being around the Master and in the programs, I'm able to understand the glory of Hinduism and how powerful it is and how scientifically oriented it is. And in Paramashivoham, really, you get a beautiful glimpse of that. And what can I say, Yanatma Swami? There's so much to share. It's an extraordinary program.
Let me ask you this. Now, what is the, if you have to compare your life before Paramashivoham and after Paramashivoham, what are the transformations that you have experienced in your life before and after the program?
Okay. I can say after attending Paramashivoham, the experience I had with the space of oneness, of being confident and connected to this oneness space has deepened. It's deepened. Before the program, I am experiencing oneness and what it is to be connected with Bhagavan and manifesting the power. I tell you, during the program, because Swamiji Bhagavan takes so much care, every day he's initiating. Every day, he's literally, our DNA is being transformed with these darshan. Bhava Samadhi Darshan. And so literally, like for example, he says, he says, what all a father gives his children, I'll give you that. And he did literally when he, in the beginning, Ganesha, when he blessed us with all the qualities of Ganesha, I literally felt like Ganesha. Ganesha is so jovial, so intelligent, confident. And see, after this program, the confidence is there that anytime I say Swamiji's name or Ganesha, instantly it's happening in an instant. So after the program, I am experiencing instant solutions.
Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful, Ma. Actually, this is one thing that I want our viewers to understand and cognize is how Swamiji makes these techniques and these experiences as our day-to-day experiences. Right? Immediately you start manifesting. Immediately you start experiencing. I know, and Ma Sakla, you have been a volunteer for many, many seasons. So can you share a little bit about your volunteering experience?
I can share a lot.
Yes, please go ahead.
So in terms of
how many seasons you volunteered for, how many hours typically you volunteer per day, and what has been your experience, and how do you see the transformation as participants go through the program? Can you share that?
So yes, so volunteering since season 2, I believe. So every season I've been present in Paramashivoham, and it's an all-day experience. So this is, all day I am in Paramashivoham, supporting the acharyas and also supporting the participants. And it's such a beautiful, it's a beautiful experience to witness, to see the transformation that people have from anything from manifesting powers to completion. And, on day 1 now, people are rolling the coconut, manifesting consciousness over matter. And then, on day 1, they're learning about like 11 powers that they're going to be doing and watching it. And they're thinking, literally, they're saying, I don't know, it's not happening for me. But then by day 1, they're manifesting consciousness over matter. Day 2, every day they're manifesting the powers. Remote vision, body scanning, healing, and GPS scanning, mind reading, so many. And the confidence that each one has is very powerful. I want to talk about the signs of completion because Swamiji has asked that every participant have a root completion pattern session. And when people discover their root pattern, this incompletion that's been with them for years and in their life that keeps it coming, when they discover it and they're able to complete it, literally they have like this, wow, like a huge weight is lifted off their shoulders. Like they have a whole new life. They're literally feeling like I have a whole new life. And it's such a relief. And as a co-chair in the program, it's so, I just love it because people are transforming. And when you see a person in your life, a loved one, and they have such like maybe they're suffering with sadness or something like that, they're not happy. And then all of a sudden they become joyful and happy because the solution has been found and they've been able to imbibe it and feel it, and it's working for them. Now, how they feel joy, you feel joy. See, when you're happy, I'm happy. When you're sad, I'm feeling that same pain. So we want all people to release the incompletions, to complete with their root patterns, to complete with any incompletions to hold them back, and to achieve their highest potential, to literally live like God. You know, Bhagavan came down to say, I'm not here to say I'm God, but I'm here to say you are God. And he's literally giving it. He also said something so beautiful when he was growing up, when Swamiji was growing up. He said, be very clear, I'm not levitating because I practiced it. I'm not levitating because I practiced it. I'm levitating because I was given it. And he was initiated by his guru. And that's what he's doing for us. Each one of us, literally he's giving each one of us that initiation. And it's really happening. And so I'm you know, if you have children and your children are happy and joyful, how that feels. You also feel that love and that joy, that bhava. And that's what's happening in this program. People are literally expanding. When they're having that completion state, power manifestation happens again and again. And people are literally having solutions. People are manifesting money. People are manifesting relationships. People are just feeling so much joy. And they're not held down by those societal restraints anymore, or what's restraining them inside. They're able to compete with it. And it's a joy. The personal transformation people are that's happening is wonderful. And people are coming and sharing that. So
wonderful, Ma. Yes. And if you have to, you know, as you watch the participants go through the program, what is the one thing that you see transforming in them? You've spoken to many of them. You have helped many of the participants go through their root pattern completion. What is the one thing that you see that the participants go through in terms of the transformation that they experience through the program?
Confidence. They have confidence and the awe that they have. See, many people they think they can't do, and they think that these powers, so they'll see them just doing, you know, watching, and then when they manifest, it's like, wow, their eyes get big, and it's happening for them, and they can do, and it's happening through them, and that, and then also healing, the health. You know, that's another big issue. As a Nitya spiritual healer, I've also been in the Paramashibhoham program, and I have taken many initiations for spiritual healing. And so we do healing sessions also. And for a person to start with a pain level of like 8 or 9, and then after chanting Mahavakya, sitting in a space of oneness, seeing Swamiji, and having a healing, pain's gone. Pain is gone. Like physical pain, they have a release, and then the smile comes on their face. So you know when people are smiling and feeling joy, pain-free, it's a good thing.
Beautiful, Ma. Thank you so much for sharing, Ma Shakla. It was wonderful to have you live in our panel today. And we will now have our second participant join in and share their experience. While the next participant jumps in, I wanted to share. Please listen. At any point in time, the quality of the life that we are living depends on the powerful cognitions that we manifest every moment in our life, right? Whether you got a promotion or whether you lost your job, whether you were just entering into a new relationship or you just had a breakup of your relationship, at any point in time, what powerful cognitions that you cherish inside you determines the quality of your life, not the external circumstances itself. How can we cherish and nourish those powerful cognitions in us? How do we know how to support myself with these powerful cognitions? That is what the Paramashibhoham program is all about. Paramashibhoham program helps you manifest those powerful cognitions. Let us now watch a short video, how we can all be a part of the Paramashibhoham and how we can all be a part of Kailasa, the enlightenment ecosystem, as we get ready for the next participant to share.
what I mean by the word e-Kailasa, listen intensely. Enlightenment ecosystem, literally enlightenment itself, in your own home, wherever you are. If you cannot come to Kailasa, it's okay. Kailasa can come to you. Kailasa coming to you is e-Kailasa.
Yes. Welcome back, dear viewers. And today we have one more Paramashivaham participant who is excited to share her experience of Paramashivaham. Nityanandam Sharmima.
Nityanandam.
Nityanandam, you can please go. Can you please go ahead and introduce yourself, your name, where you're from, what do you do?
My name is Sharmi Patel, and I'm from Indianapolis. And I used to be a microbiologist. I worked at a hospital 37 years, and I'm retired since 2018. So it's been 2 years.
Wow, beautiful. 37 years worked as a microbiologist. That's a long profession and career. Beautiful, Ma.
Yeah.
And how did you get to know about Swamiji? How long before you came to know about Swamiji, and how did you get to know about Swamiji?
I was looking for the true meditation program, not the one that going on the yoga program, but true meditation. And I was looking on the YouTube, and I got the link that I clicked on one day, and it was starting about 6 in the evening. So it was the Ohio link, and I joined with them the daily Nitya Dhyan, and I like it, and it helped me a lot with my migraine headache, and really helped me to as a health wise. So, and I've been joining ever since. And then I did the Paramashivaham classes.
Beautiful. What has been your experience attending? What did you join? When you joined, what was your experience like? And after you attended the program, what changes are you seeing in yourself from the Paramashivaham program? If you can tell it for our viewers, please.
Yes, Ma. Before I was like other people, if say something or bother me, it's like not getting angry, but it got irritated, affected by the words inside. So with the Paramashivahams, I found out that I learned it. I have an ability to not affected by others. I can manifest. I have an ability to have a powers, and I can create, and I can manifest. So as a health-wise, I'm a lot better because I got rid of my migraine headache. And
wow.
Yes, and I also had a blood pressure, and I was taking 2 pills and doing the Rama Samyama, and I'm not taking any medicine. And I checked with the doctors, and doctor said it's okay not to take it, and my blood pressure is normal. So
wow,
so
your migraine headache is completely gone. And you did the Rama Nirahara Samyama. I'll just tell to all the participants what is that. So Rama Nirahara Samyama is a specific diet for 21 days, which Lord Rama, Bhagavan Rama, the great incarnation of Mahavishnu, the diet that Lord Rama himself followed when he was in Vanavasa, when he was living in the forest as a part of the 14-year exile that he had to undertake. He lived in the forest, and he lived only on the forest fruits and vegetables. So the Rama Nirahara Samyama is a 21-day samyama, which is samyama is basically awakening the powers and the possibilities in you. So when you follow this diet, just live on fruits and vegetables for 21 days and imbibe the Upanishads, the Upanishadic thought currents, then you experience the state of state, space, and powers of Paramashiva. So that is what is Rama Nirahara Samyama. And after Ma Sharmima took that Samyama, she completely got rid of her blood pressure and even stopped taking medication. Because Sharmima, you're bringing a very important point, because a lot of people are taking this blood pressure medication and they take it for years and years and years. Like, I have not known anybody who has stopped their medication. You just start it and that's it. It goes on till you die,
Yes. So after doing the samyama, 3rd days or 4th days, I was feeling kind of weak. So I checked my blood pressure and it was down. So I stopped taking the blood pressure medicine. I called immediately to the doctor and I told them, this is what I'm doing. And I'm stopping the medication. And they said, fine. And then I went to check with the doctor and they checked my blood pressure was normal. And and then after that, I had 2 more visits with the doctor and I'm fine. So.
Wow, beautiful, Ma. And so that's the experience of your Rama Nirahara Samyama. And what's been your experience of Paramashivoham? What changes you started seeing in yourself?
Paramashivohams give me the ability that I can do more willpowers. And, before it just like I always think it's somebody else. But no, I can do it. I have an ability. And also I'm not affected by anybody's words. Before it would affect me, even I won't get angry, but it affected me inside. So that helps me. So I'm not affected by others' words, what they say, because I'm more inside now. I'm just more being towards me, more inside than outside. So it helps me. And as far as the healing powers and relationship, it's really helped me than before. So.
Wow. Yes, beautiful, Ma. If you have
and also I can do like a manifesting powers that I can heal and I can, move the coconut and I have that powers. So I'm very excited about and I'm very helpful to me.
Beautiful. If I have to ask you, Sharmima, before Paramashivoham, this is how I was. After Paramashivoham, this is how I am. If there is one thing that you need to choose, what would that be?
Well, one thing would be, I was like on my face, I wouldn't look, if you see me, I would look, happier, but at least it was my outside looked. But inside, I would get angry if I get, if somebody says something, it would hurt me. So it's the others' words not affected me. That's the most powerful for me. So.
Wow.
Yes, because otherwise it would affect me inside and not saying anything. But as far as anybody says anything, I'm not affected by it.
Wow. Actually, those of you who have and are going through this, which is most of us, right? Somebody says something and then your whole day it gets affected because of it, and you don't know how to come out of it. You feel like you're jailed with those emotions and with those thought currents constantly repeating.
Nityananda Paramashivoham Om 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 Nityananda.
If there's something that they have told, you have changed so much, what would that be after Paramashivoham? What is it that you hear from people around you?
This is and uh, so I'm just all the time in joyful mood, happy here. So that's
Wow.
what this is.
This is such a bonus, a family member being so happy and joyful. That is what all of us want, and Paramashivoham can give us that. And I request everyone to go to kailasa.org/Paramashivoham. Register now for the next program. You don't have to live in suffering. Suffering and pain is not our birthright. Let's not get married to it. Let's not believe that life is not possible without it. No, there is a way of life where you can live with joy and fulfillment and manifesting the state, space, and powers of Paramashiva. So you are more than welcome to live like that. And Sharmima, if you have to tell about the Paramashivoham program for somebody who's new, who doesn't know anything about Swamiji, who doesn't know anything about this program, how would you describe this program to somebody who doesn't know about the program?
Even if you don't know the Swamiji, or you don't have to know, but you go to the program and you would find out that, you would be really blessed, and you discover yourself that you never know, that you have those ability, that you have power to manifest, and you have ability to do anything you want in like a health-wise relationships, and anything you want. So it's very powerful program, and you have all the ability that you can do, and it will be transform your life. It will be more joyful, and with this pandemic time, it's really helps.
Wonderful, Ma. Thank you so much for coming live and sharing. I know you are about to become a grandmother, so may
yes.
Swamiji's blessings for you and your family,
Thank
and
you. Yeah.
let you enjoy a new life with your grandchild and auspicious beginning in your life. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Sharmima, for coming live and sharing today. Thank you. And your time, the time, few minutes that you took to enrich the world, that is the space of enlightenment. Sharing whatever we have with the world, sharing our experience with the world. And if you're watching this, this is the best thing that you can do to you, to others, and to the whole world. So Sharmima, what you did today, taking a few minutes and coming and sharing your experience, you have earned the cosmic currency, the punya of enriching and reaching thousands of lives who are watching this and who may be going through whatever they're going through in their life. And because of your sharing, they decided to take a step to attend the Paramashivoham program. So you have positively contributed in the lives of thousands of people by taking a few minutes to come and share your experience. We are so grateful. Thank you so much for coming amidst your busy
life. Me to do my experience.
It's our pleasure, Ma. It's our pleasure, and it's our blessing that you were able to come and share your experience. Thank you so much for coming.
I'm so thankful to the all the acharya. They're doing very dedicated and very hard works, and presenting very truth of the Hinduism. So I'm very happy, and I'm glad that I found out that. Otherwise, I never would know. Even I'm born as a Hindu. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sharmima, for coming and sharing. And if you are a Paramashivoham participant and you are watching this live and you want to share your experience of Paramashivoham, do send us an email, contact me on Facebook, or send an email to ma.yanatma@nityanandauniversity.org, and we will be happy to have you live to share your experience. It is time we enrich and enrich the world with this. So take a few minutes. Your few minutes of your time can make an impact in the lives of thousands of people worldwide. So if you are interested in your sharing, contact me or Ma Sakala. If you have attended the program, you would definitely know how to reach Ma Sakala because she is our co-acharya. So you can reach out to me or to Ma Sakala, and we will be more than happy to have you live and share your experience. Thank you so much. And now we move on to the next segment of the pre-satsang today, as we get ready for the live satsang, is the Vakyartha Sadas. And today's Vakyartha Sadas topic is, should Hindus stop religious conversion? A very interesting topic. Let us now watch a short clip from Swamiji as we get ready for the debate. Nityananda.
Open architecture, it has got multiple manifestation, multiple interpretation, multiple use, and nobody yet knows what it is. Yet it sustains, it promotes, it liberates, it goes on, and is almost eternal. So what are the core values of this Sanatana Dharma?
If I have to put the whole thing in nutshell, the essence of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. See, we all accept the Vedas or the introductory literature of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. If I have to talk from the context of the Vedas, the Shastra Pramana, I should say basic, conflict-free, exciting, blissful life with understanding of Jiva, Ishvara, Jagat is Sanatana Hindu Dharma.
Say it again.
Conflict-free,
exciting,
blissful life with understanding of self, world, God, Jiva, Ishwar, Jagat, Ishwar. With this understanding, living blissfully is Sanatana Hindu Dharma.
And living blissfully.
Actually, conflict-free and blissful is one and the same, I should say.
Okay.
Blissful life with understanding of these three is what I call Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Now comes the supplementary answers like a karma theory. What is actually karma theory? Karma theory is nothing but establishing a right cognition between us and the world God.
To listen to a very interesting debate on should Hindus stop religious conversion. Let us now quickly get ready to have the much awaited darshan of our beloved Swamiji, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. Please sit straight and close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your third eye. Let your whole being just be filled with the memories of your Guru, our beloved Swamiji. Intensely chant the Mahavakya from the space of oneness, experiencing the deep feeling connection and gratitude, devotion, and surrender at the feet of our beloved Swamiji. Let your whole being just melt in gratitude as we chant the Mahavakya. Om Nityanand Paramashivoham.
Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् 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 I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Connecting with the divine with your eyes closed is meditation. Connecting with the divine with your eyes open is darshan. Come, let us all now move from meditation to darshan. Slowly, very slowly. Please open your eyes.
ஆயர்குல மன்னன் இங்கே வந்தாச்சு, நல்ல ஜானந்தர நித்தன் என்று ஆயாச்சு. ஆயர்குல மன்னன் இங்கே வந்தாச்சு, நல்ல ஜானந்தர நித்தன் என்று ஆயாச்சு.
சத்குருவ போற்றி இங்கே பாட வந்தேன் தாலேலோ நித்யானந்த நாம சொல்லி பாடுங்கடி ஏலேலோ சத்குருவ போற்றி இங்கே பாட வந்தேன் தாலேலோ நல்ல நல்ல ஞானம் தந்து நம்ம கரை சேர்த்தாரு நம்ம கரை சேர்த்தாரு நம்ம கரை சேர்த்தாரு என்றும் நித்திய ஆனந்தமா உசுருக்குள்ள பூத்தாரு என்றும் நித்திய ஆனந்தமா உசுருக்குள்ள பூத்தாரு உசுருக்குள்ள பூத்தாரு சாமியோட வார்த்தை எல்லாம் ஒவ்வொன்றுமே மந்திரும் சாமி பெற்ற கேட்க வானம் கூட மண்ணில் வந்திடும் சாமியோட வார்த்தை எல்லாம் ஒவ்வொன்றுமே மந்திரும் சாமி பெற்ற கேட்க வானம் கூட மண்ணில் வந்திடும் சாமியோட சிரிப்பு சத்தம் பூமி மொத்தம் மயங்கிடும் சாமியோட சிரிப்பு சத்தம் பூமி மொத்தம் மயங்கிடும் என்ன சொல்ல வார்த்தை இல்ல உசுறு பாடும் வந்தனோ என்ன சொல்ல வார்த்தை இல்ல உசுறு பாடும் வந்தனோ உசுறு பாடும் வந்தனோ என்று நம்ம சாமியோட அன்புக்கு இங்கே இடேது மடியில தாளாட்டிடும் தாயாகவும் ஆனாரு என்று நம்ம சாமியோட அன்புக்கு இங்கே இடேது மடியில தாளாட்டிடும் தாயாகவும் ஆனாரு 100 கண்ணு போதாது நம்ம சாமி அழக பார்க்கவே 100 கண்ணு போதாது நம்ம சாமி அழக பார்க்கவே ஜென்மம் கொண்டு நாம வந்தோம் சாமி கூட வாழவே ஜென்மம் கொண்டு நாம வந்தோம் சாமி கூட வாழவே சாமி கூட வாழவே நோயதனம் தீர்த்திடவே சக்தியும் தந்தாரே தீயவரும் நெஞ்சுருகும் தூய உளம் கொண்டாரே நோயதனம் தீர்த்திடவே சக்தியும் தந்தாரே தீயவரும் நெஞ்சுருகும் தூய உளம் கொண்டாரே அம்மையப்ப நான குரு காத்திடவே வந்தாரே அம்மையப்ப நான குரு காத்திடவே வந்தாரே பெத்த புள்ளையாகி நம்ம தாயாகவும் ஆனாரே பெத்த புள்ளையாகி நம்ம தாயாகவும் ஆனாரே ஆலமர அடியினிலே கோயிலையும் கொண்டாரே அல்லல் படும் உசுருக்கெல்லாம் வள்ளல் நிழல் தந்தாரே ஆலமர அடியினிலே கோயிலையும் கொண்டாரே அல்லல் படும் உசுருக்கெல்லாம் வள்ளல் நிழல் தந்தாரே நித்த நித்த ஆனந்தத்தை ஊத்தெடுக்க செஞ்சாரே நித்த நித்த ஆனந்தத்தை ஊத்தெடுக்க செஞ்சாரே புத்தம் புது வாழ்க்கையத்தான் நாளும் காண வச்சாரே புத்தம் புது வாழ்க்கையத்தான் நாளும் காண வச்சாரே அத்தனைக்கும் ஆசைப்பட நினைக்கும் போது ஏனுங்க கவலைய பார்த்து நாம அஞ்சிடணும் சொல்லுங்க அத்தனைக்கும் ஆசைப்பட நினைக்கும் போது ஏனுங்க கவலைய பார்த்து நாம அஞ்சிடணும் சொல்லுங்க ஆசை அளவுக்கு தான் கவலைன்னு சொன்னாரு ஆசை அளவுக்கு தான் கவலைன்னு சொன்னாரு ஆசைய குறைக்க இப்ப நிம்மதியும் பூக்குதே ஆசைய குறைக்க இப்ப நிம்மதியும் பூக்குதே நெஞ்சுக்குள்ள கொண்டோமே துக்கம் தரும் மனச கொஞ்சம் சாமி தேட சொன்னாரு பல வேதனைய நெஞ்சுக்குள்ள கொண்டோமே துக்கம் தரும் மனச கொஞ்சம் சாமி தேட சொன்னாரு தேடும்போது மனசு வரும் வார்த்தைன்னு கண்டோமே தேடும்போது மனசு வரும் வார்த்தைன்னு கண்டோமே வேதனையும் வேடிக்கையா மாறாத வென்றோமே வேதனையும் வேடிக்கையா மாறாத வென்றோமே அச்சங்கண்டு நாம் முன்னதும் ஓடி ஒளிஞ்சு வந்தோமே ஓட ஓட நிழல போல தொடரும்னு சொன்னாரு அச்சங்கண்டு நாம் முன்னதும் ஓடி ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನಿತ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ 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 ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನಿತ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಯ ಬಳಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಪುರಿಯೋ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಯ ಬಳಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಪುರಿಯೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನಿತ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಿಯ ಬಳಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಪುರಿಯೋ ನಿತ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಗುಣ ಪಡಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿರೋ
ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನಿತ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ
ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನಿತ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಆನಂದೇಶ್ವರನ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಆನಂದೇಶ್ವರನ ಆನಂದೇಶ್ವರಿಯ ದೇವಾಲಯವು ಆನಂದೇಶ್ವರಿಯ ದೇವಾಲಯವು ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನಿತ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಆಲದ ಮರವು ಬಿಟ್ಟದಿಯ ಬಳಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಪುರಿಯೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟದಿಯ ಬಳಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಪುರಿಯೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನಿತ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನಿತ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟದಿಯ ಬಳಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಪುರಿಯೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟದಿಯ ಬಳಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಪುರಿಯೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನಿತ್ಯನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಹಿಂದೆ ವರವ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ ಬಂದು ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತರಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ ಜೀವನದಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ವರವ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ ಬಂದು ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತರಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ ಜೀವನದಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ
Still, Kalabhairava is sitting intensely and manifesting to bless you all and make Kailasa happen. Connect with Kalabhairava, complete with all the past incompletions. Be ferocious with yourself and make complete life positive intensity. You will all be saved from this pralaya.
சூளம் சுழன்றிட ஞாலம் அதிர்ந்திட நீல நிறத்தில் தேகம் ஜொலித்திட பைரவன் வாரானே, பட்டியில் பைரவன் வாரானே. சூளம் சுழன்றிட ஞாலம் அதிர்ந்திட நீல நிறத்தில் தேகம் ஜொலித்திட பைரவன் வாரானே, பட்டியில் பைரவன் வாரானே. சிவனாரின் வடிவாக தவவாணர் துதிபாட கனலாடும் மலையாக அனல் வீச வாரானே. பைரவன் வாரானே, மார்த்தாண்ட பைரவன் வாரானே. வைரவன் பட்டி நகரம் ஆளும் ஐயன் வாரானே.
பைரவன் வாரானே, மார்த்தாண்ட பைரவன் வாரானே. பைரவன் பட்டி நகரம் ஆளும் ஐயன் வாரானே.
சூளம் சுழன்றிட ஞாலம் அதிர்ந்திட நீல நிறத்தில் தேகம் ஜொலித்திட பைரவன் வாரானே, பட்டியின் பைரவன் வாரானே.
பைரவன் வாரானே, மார்த்தாண்ட பைரவன் வாரானே. பைரவன் பட்டி நகரம் ஆளும் ஐயன் வாரானே.
கேசமுடன் அகன்ற தேகமுடன் சக்தி ஜடாதரனாய் சடுதியில் வாரானே. அக்னி கேசமுடன் அகன்ற தேகமுடன் சக்தி ஜடாதரனாய் சடுதியில் வாரானே. முக்தியின் மூலமென தன் முன் கை ஓடேந்தி வித்தக வடுகனென அந்த வைரவன் வாரானே. சூரருடன் சம செய்தவனாம் திரிசூலமதால் தலை கொய்தவனாம் சுடரொளி ஆகாயன் நம் வளரொளி வடிவீசன். சூரருடன் சமர் செய்தவனாம் திரிசூலமதால் தலை கொய்தவனாம் சுடரொளி ஆகாயன் நம் வளரொளி வடிவீசன். சூளம் சுழன்றிட ஞாலம் அதிர்ந்திட நீல நிறத்தில் தேகம் ஜொலித்திட பைரவன் வாரானே, பட்டியின் பைரவன் வாரானே.
பைரவன் வாரானே, மார்த்தாண்ட பைரவன் வாரானே. பைரவன் பட்டி நகரம் ஆளும் ஐயன் வாரானே.
பைரவன் வாரானே, மார்த்தாண்ட பைரவன் வாரானே. வைரவன் பட்டி நகரம் ஆளும் ஐயன் வாரானே. கண்கள் கனல் வீச கைகள் படை வீச அண்ணல் வைரவனோ அதிர்வாய் வாரானே. கண்கள் கனல் வீச கைகள் படை வீச அண்ணல் வைரவனோ அதிர்வாய் வாரானே. விண்ணோர் வாழ்ந்திடவே வீணர் வீழ்ந்திடவே வைரவ மார்த்தாண்டன் விரைந்து வாரானே. மல்லனெனும் மணி மல்லனெனும் பெரும் சூரனெனும் பகை வென்றவனாம் வைரவன் பட்டியிலே திகழும் மங்கள வைரவனாம். மல்லனெனும் மணி மல்லனெனும் பெரும் சூரரெனும் பகை வென்றவனாம் வைரவன் பட்டியிலே திகழும் மங்கள பைரவனாம். சூளம் சுழன்றிட ஞாலம் அதிர்ந்திட நீல நிறத்தில் தேகம் ஜொலித்திட பைரவன் வாரானே, பட்டியின் பைரவன் வாரானே.
பைரவன் வாரானே, மார்த்தாண்ட பைரவன் வாரானே. பைரவன் பட்டி நகரம் ஆளும் ஐயன் வாரானே.
வைரவன் வாரானே, மார்த்தாண்ட பைரவன் வாரானே. வைரவன் பட்டி நகரம் ஆளும் ஐயன் வாரானே. சிவமே தவமயமாய் தவமே பைரவமாய் பெருங்கோலம் திரிகிறதே. அன்பே சிவமயமாய் சிவமே தவமயமாய் தவமே பைரவமாய் பெருங்கோலம் திரிகிறதே. தென்னாடுடைய சிவன் திகம்பரேசன் என மின்னும் சுடர் வடிவோ மேன்மை தருகிறதே. தொந்தி முதல்வனின் பூதகணம் சிவநந்தி முதல்வனின் ஈசகணம் முந்தி நடந்திடவே நம் பைரவன் வாரானே. தொந்தி முதல்வனின் பூதகணம் சிவநந்தி முதல்வனின் ஈசகணம் முந்தி நடந்திடவே நம் பைரவன் வாரானே. சூழம் சுழன்றிட ஞாலம் அதிர்ந்திட நீல நிறத்தின் தேகம் ஜொலித்திட பைரவன் வாரானே. பட்டியின் பைரவன் வாரானே.
பைரவன் வாரானே, மார்த்தாண்ட பைரவன் வாரானே. பைரவன் பட்டி நகரம் ஆளும் ஐயன் வாரானே.
பைரவன் வாரானே மார்த்தாண்ட பைரவன் வாரானே. பைரவன் பட்டி நகரம் ஆளும் ஐயன் வாரா.
மலர் பூக்க என்னையன் நடனமிட சின்ன வாழத்தோப்பு கொழுந்து வர என்னையன் குலுங்கி வர. வெள்ளாடக்காரனையா கோபத்தில் வீரனையா எங்கே நீ இருந்தாலும் ஓடி நீ வாருமையா. ஆங்கார நாயகரே ஆதிமுகேஸ்வரனே ஆதகர வித்தினிலே அழகாய் இருப்பா ஐயனே எங்க ஐயனே சாமி ஐயனே முனி அழகா நீ ஆடி வாருமையா. நீயும் கங்கையிலே அந்த கங்கையிலே சாமி கங்கையிலே குடியிருக்கோம் என் காவலுக்கு அமர்ந்தவரே. மல்லிகை மலர் பூக்க என் கையில் நடனமிட சின்ன வாழத்தோப்பு அந்த வாழத்தோப்பு குழுங்கு வர என் கையில் குழுங்கி வர. வீச்சருவாக்காரனையா வீராதி வீரனையா கோபத்தில் சூரனையா ஆடி நீ வாருமையா. ஆலமகம் குடியிருக்கும் ஆதிமுகீஸ்வரரே குறி சொல்ல வாருமையா. இல்லையே காப்பவரே வீரனே ஐயா வீரனே சாமி வீரனே வீரவனே நீ ஓடி வாருமையா. உன்னை நெஞ்சுக்குள்ளே என் நெஞ்சுக்குள்ளே சாமி நெஞ்சுக்குள்ளே கூடி நிறுத்தி நான் பூஜை செய்தேன் ஐயா. மல்லிகை மலர் பூக்க என் கையில் நடனமிட சின்ன வாழத்தோப்பு ஐயா வாழத்தோப்பு சின்ன வாழத்தோப்பு உளுந்து வர என் கையில் குலுங்கி வர. நானே நானா தனநானே தனானா தானானே தானா தானானே தானா தானானே தானா தானானே தானானே தானானா தானானே. இடி முழங்குதே அங்கே அங்கே இடி
இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு தாமி தந்த கலசம் எங்குதே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு தாமி தந்த கலசம் எங்குதே தாடி காமல் அடுங்களே எங்க ஐயாவுக்கு கண்ட துண்டு 2 அடிகளே தாடி காமல் அடுங்களே எங்க ஐயாவுக்கு கண்ட துண்டு 2 அடிகளே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு தாமி தந்த கலசம் எங்குதே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு தாமி தந்த கலசம் எங்குதே பட்டினிரி மேனி எல்லாம் பவள நீலவா எலகா பட்டினிரி மேனி எல்லாம் பவள நீலவா எலகா பல வேட்டையாடி வராஜங்க கருப்பு சாமி அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு சாமி தங்க கலசம் எங்குதே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு சாமி தங்க கலசம் எங்குதே மலையாமா மலையாமா மரங்கள் உண்டு பண்ணி மலையாமா மலையாமா மரங்கள் உண்டு பண்ணி சிலையாக நிற்கிறாரு தெய்வமான கருப்புதான் அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்புதாமி தங்க கலசம் எங்குதே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்புதாமி தங்க கலசம் எங்குதே வெள்ள நல்ல குதிரையில வீட்டிருவா கையிலேந்தி வெள்ள நல்ல குதிரையில வீட்டிருவா கையிலேந்தி வேட்டையாடி வராதங்க கோட்டை கருப்பு தாமி அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு தாமி தங்க கலசம் எங்குதே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு தாமி தங்க கலசம் எங்குதே பொண்ண கொண்ட போட்டு கொட்ட முத்து பழகிறாரு பொண்ண கொண்ட போட்டு கொட்ட முத்து பழகிறாரு தவத துண்டு தேடி வரும் ராஜங்க கருப்பு சாமி அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு சாமி தங்க கலசம் எங்குதே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு சாமி தங்க கலசம் எங்குதே காளி கமல் அடுங்களே எங்க ஐயாவுக்கு கண்ட துண்டு 2 அடிகளே காளி கமல் அடுங்களே எங்க ஐயாவுக்கு கண்ட துண்டு 2 அடிகளே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு சாமி தங்க கலசம் எங்குதே அங்கே இடி முழங்குதே கருப்பு சாமி தங்க கலசம் எங்குதே தானானே தானனே தந்தானே தானானே தானனே தானானே தானனே தந்தானே தானானே தானனே தானானே தானனே தந்தானே தானானே தானனே கோட்டையிலே குடியிருக்கும் ஐயா எங்கள் கோடி நூறையனாரே கோட்டையிலே குடியிருக்கும் ஐயா எங்கள் கோடி நூறையனாரே மண்ணுலகம் வாழ்பவரே ஐயா எங்கள் கோடி நூறையனாரே மண்ணுலகம் வாழ்பவரே ஐயா எங்கள் கோடி நூறையனாரே கண்ணருக்கு முன் பிறந்த ஐயா எங்கள் கர்ணமகாராஜனையா கண்ணருக்கு முன் பிறந்த ஐயா எங்கள் கண்ணமகாராஜனையா ஆலமரம் குடியிருக்கும் ஐயா எங்கள் ஆலமுனி வீரனப்பா ஆலமரம் குடியிருக்கும் ஐயா எங்கள் ஆலமுனி வீரனையா கருப்பு
देवराज सेव्यमान पावनाग्रि पंकजं व्यालयज्ञ सूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं
देवराज सेव्यमान पावनाग्रि पंकजं व्यालयज्ञ सूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं
नारदादि योगि वृन्द वन्दितं दिगम्बरं
काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भानुकोटि भास्वरं भवाब्धिकारकं पदं नीलकण्ठमींसितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं
कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं
काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे श्रीकैलासोन्नतद्वादशान्तश्यामलापीठारूढ श्रीमीनाक्षिसुन्दरेश्वरा भिन्नस्वरूप परशिवपुत्ररत्न कुमार गुरुमण्यतुल्यावतार श्रीपार्वतीस्तन्यपानलब्धदिव्यज्ञान विश्रुतसकलनिगमागमसारभूतद्राविडवेदप्रवक्त्रे श्रीमत्परमशिवकरुणासमधिगतमुक्तामयचतुरश्रयान् गीयमानछत्रचामर श्रीचिह्नकाहलादिसमस्तबिरदावल्यलङ्कृत ज्ञानविज्ञानचक्रवर्ती सर्वजनसङ्घसद्यो निर्वाणदीक्षा व्ययापवर्गवर्ष विश्राण जीमूत परमतकलभकेसरी शैवसिद्धान्तस्थापनाचार्य श्रीराजाधिराजपाण्ड्यमहाराज गुरु क्षपणशाक्यादिमहान्धकारनिवारणज्ञानभानु वीक्षणानर्हार्हध्वजोच्छेदनपूर्वक श्रीमद्वृषभध्वजस्थापक शैवसमयकर्त्रे सर्वज्ञपीठारूढ श्रीजगद्गुरु श्रीज्ञानसम्बन्धदेशिकस्वामि वागीशसुन्दरमाणिक्यवाचकस्वामिनाम् अवतारभूत श्रीज्ञानसम्बन्धस्वामि पुनरुद्धृत श्यामलापीठ सर्वज्ञपीठ त्रिणवत्युत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान अरुणगिरियोगीश्वर परम्परागत अरुणाचल सर्वज्ञपीठ गुरुमहासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत काञ्ची कैलास सर्वज्ञपीठ त्रयस्त्रिंशदुत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान नित्योत्सव नित्यमङ्गल नित्यकल्याण नित्यरजित कैलास परम्परागत आदिकैलास नित्यानन्दपीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासनपीठकर्तः साक्षात् श्रीपरमशिव समुद्भूत कैलास परम्परागत वैवस्वतमनु इक्ष्वाकु हरिश्चन्द्र भगीरथ श्रीरामचन्द्र शूरसेन इत्यादि अनवच्छिन्न सार्वभौम चक्रवर्ति परम्परागत चतुष्षष्टि योगिनी मण्डित चतुष्षष्टि सम्प्रदाय प्रवर्तक मनुधर्मशासन सूर्यवंश प्राप्त सर्वज्ञपीठ सुराङ्गि साम्राज्य मूर्धाभिषिक्त चूडामणे साक्षात् श्रीपरमशिव समुद्भूत कपिल महागुरु पुनरुद्धृत महानिर्वाणिपीठ अष्टोत्तरसहस्र श्रीमहामण्डलेश्वर साक्षात् श्रीपरमशिव सिंहासनाभिषिक्त समस्तगणनायक श्रीमहागणपति समारम्भ अनवच्छिन्न
Nityanandam, thank you so much for joining, and I'm sure that you enjoyed an amazing second day of darshan of Kalabhairava and the Kalabhairava Bhava. So that's the moments which we all love, darshans of Swamiji, being his presence, and then also the Kalabhairava. So Swamiji, our beloved Swamiji, His Divine Holiness, mentioned to complete with all incompletions that Kalabhairava is saving all of us from this Pralaya. What more do we want than have His Divine Holiness in our life? And thank you so much for joining us today. Also for the Vakyartha Sadhas that is happening, you can cast your vote at the link on the screen, the kailasa.org/Hinduism votes. And that's, I'm sure you know what for, to decide for Hinduism, to decide for the life and the world you want to have. And if you are following us or are simply already citizens of Kailasa or Kailasavasi, then you know that that's ancient tradition that brings solution to every single problem that humanity faces. So you've got a chance to either join if you are not already, or just cast your vote to decide what you want. And of course, we invite you after this amazing darshan also, being in Swamiji's presence, in Swamiji's breathing space, to offer the Prataksha Bara Puja just on the 11th of December during the Chitra Natrakshotsava, or for the Jayanti, the eagerly awaiting time to celebrate even more that we celebrate every day, the happening of the avatar in our life and in the life and the history of planet Earth. So again, you can sign up for the Seva at tiny.cc/Sevas, which you can see on the below the screen. And a warm invitation joining us tomorrow. Thank you. Nityananda. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tatsat Padam Shri Nityananda Parashvam Parupar Pranamastu. Om Nityanandam. Nityananda.